Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and today I'm going to be talking about the sunshine blue blueberry. There's two of them right here, and just give you just all around information about what I've noticed from this plant in my garden. That's coming up right now. There's not many issues with this plant that I've experienced. I have an occasional blue jay that may eat the blueberries, and of course my dog Lulu loves blueberries. The things I love about the sunshine blue is how abundant it is. I mean, I had to put a stick here to keep this plant from falling over. The taste is also amazing with this variety. Tart and sweet all in one. In my opinion, an amazing blueberry. One of the best I've ever tasted. It is not the most vigorous of growers, but it does grow faster than the misty varieties that I grow. Unlike the misty variety of blueberries that I grow, which love full sun in my garden, the sunshine blue blueberries like a little bit of part shade, 6 hours or less a day of sun. The most interesting thing about this variety of blueberry is how many blueberries it can produce. Really amazing. And out of all the varieties of blueberries that I grow, sunshine blue tastes the best. So I hope this video helped any of you that had questions about the sunshine blue blueberry. I love this plant, and I wish I planted more long ago. I have about 5 of them, and I wish I planted 50. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.